Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities. These activities are performed using LABOXD Science Activity Kit. Activity is Effect of Magnets. Who doesn't like to play with magnets? This is a joyful activity. Effect of magnet. Paper cup, a yellow boat with markings, a magnet, threads, a small screw, and paper clip. We also need 2 wooden sticks or bamboo sticks or straws. Separate the items from the boat. Now, fix the different parts as shown. Insert the 2 wooden sticks as shown. Now the stand is ready. Take the paper cup and fix it on the stand. Take the magnet and keep it inside. Take the thread and tie the one end to the screw and the other end to the clip. Now bring it below the paper cup. We can feel the attraction. We can also feel the power of the magnet. Observe the clip. The clip sticks to the cup. That is the power of the magnet. The thread with the screw stands straight. Experiment it in different ways. We can also bring some iron nails or pins near the cup. Now enjoy! See how it sticks to the cup. Magnet attracts iron objects towards it. This is called magnetic effect. Beautiful and knowledgeable, isn't it? Effect of magnet. A magnet is a substance which attracts iron. Everyone likes to play with magnets. We can distinguish the objects made of iron from other things. The objects which are attracted by the magnets are called magnetic substances. So, iron is a magnetic substance. We have learned the properties of magnet in this activity. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more activities.